How to turn off Meta AI on Instagram. So Meta AI is basically the latest integration into Meta's applications such as Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. But here today we're focusing on Instagram only, and a lot of users have found Meta AI too annoying or too repulsive sometimes, and they would like to turn it off. Unfortunately, as of now, you cannot directly disable or turn off Meta AI off of Instagram, but there's one thing you could do, a few hacks that people have worked up upon that have successfully worked on Facebook and they are successfully working on Instagram as well. So one thing, you're going to click onto this profile icon of Meta AI, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on message, and from right here, you're going to click onto the view profile. And what you can do is you can simply either restrict this account, hide your story, or you can just click on about this account and just basically block or restrict this account, hide your story and stuff. And basically, this is just either you report it, like you could say this is harmful or offensive or too repetitive, and on its own, it's gonna basically stop showing up onto your interface of Instagram. This is just one way to do it, or the other way you can do it is go back up on to your Instagram settings, onto app information, and from right here, what you can do is you can remove the permissions basically. From right here, you can remove the app permissions. And because Meta AI works on all of the app permissions enabled, so if you disable a few of these permissions, then Meta AI is not going to work successfully on Instagram. So guys, this is how you can turn off Meta AI on Instagram. If you like this video and if this video has been helpful for you, please make sure to leave a comment down below and also like this video. Thank you so much for watching.